Good morning.
Good morning.
We are starting with Jason this morning.
Okay.
So if you need to get your book set, Jason is the first person. Like last time, I will be playing all three parts, so you can play the part you're supposed to practice with all of those parts, or you can use it to try a different part. If you have harmony part, the middle of the three, it's musician's choice whether you're dividing it inside outside on those double stops, or if you are playing both. They are all possible. Some of them are trickier than others, especially on the cello. So inside outside is fine, and or whatever you were assigned. Maybe I should put it that way. Or doing the double stops together if you want extra double stop practice is fine too. Looks like we are all assembled. So we're starting with Jason. Remember, it's in the key of G. So there's some C string F sharps that sometimes jump out at people. Try and start with a careful tempo. In fact, I'll notch it down one from what I was thinking, just in case everybody's still asleep. This is your quarter note. I'm playing the bass line first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, somebody's live. That doesn't need to be live. Hang on a second. All better. Restart. 2, 3, 4. Alright, so I'm moving to play the middle part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. And anybody who's trying to look at my hand may have life a little bit too challenging for themselves. Let's try that. Alright, so I'm moving up to the melody part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yes, the secret word for today, for everybody who is doing this class not in real time, starts with L. So first letter of the secret word is an L. And you may turn the page to Kate. So Kate is in the key of D. We'll have F sharp and C sharp both. So you can practice either your line or whichever line I happen to be playing at the time, just getting your head situated around what this might be like. This is a dotted quarter note. So I'm starting with the bass line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Practicing their 2-octave D major scales. Lots of C sharps there. All right, I'm moving to the harmony line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. into melody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good deal. Breathe. Turn the page. The second letter in our secret word is an A. So when we're all turning the page together, that puts us on Katrina. Katrina's back in the key of C. So put that into your head as far as what needs to happen there. That seems safe-ish. Safe plus trying to get a lot of songs in a short time. So this is going to be the bass line first for me, whatever part you're playing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Middle part. 1, 2, 3, 4. enough that it wasn't sight readable. First half, 2, 3, and 4, and. Hopefully that'll help a little bit. To the melody. 2, 3, and 4, and. Good deal. Alright, so turning the page, being the next letter of our secret word, which is an R. I think I've dropped a pencil every single time I'm going to turn a page. Good thing I started with lots of pencils. The floor will be littered with pencils by the time this class is over. Alright, so this is another one in 6/8 time and the key of D, so those F sharps and C sharps are coming back, which might bite you if you're playing a low line. Let's try that. Once again, I will be starting with the bass part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Middle line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. melody. One, two, three, four, five, six. So that second half there at 9, for cello players, that works pretty nicely in second. 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, then shift again. So it's almost entirely second, if that helps. There are other ways to do it, like you could go in fourth. But that would be a big stretchier bit of the hand. And so it would probably make you less happy than shifting. Alright, so the next letter of our special word today is a G. And so far I have not dropped a pencil, but I'm sure it's coming. Looks like I almost dropped the secret word. Alright. Turning again. Another one in 6/8. This one's in the key of G, so one of those sharps gets to disappear. You still have the other one though. What did I do rhythmically? A couple of funky things. Let's try it at this tempo. Starting on bass line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Playing middle line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the last letter of our secret word is an O. And we will turn the page one more time and take a look at Lydia. And I am likely to pick a tempo right now that is faster than we will play it in the performance, because we are down to only a few minutes. But I will try not to go too crazy. I'm on baseline. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Switching to harmony line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Melody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The letters in the secret word, Largo. On Friday this week is the Mozart recital. The Flower Fairy recital will be in 2 weeks on Friday, February 9th. If you have any questions or need to commiserate, now is your chance. I don't think they're really coming to get me. Nope, just a fire truck.
Bye, everybody. Have a good day.
Bye, everyone.
You too.
Thanks, Miriam.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Miriam. See everyone on Friday.